Alright, we're recording because my dad's bird flew away and Gabriel's trying to catch it.
Great little shit! Get down here! I'm almost gonna eat you.
This is a... Here's my chickens. Did you get him? Yeah. And Gabriel got him.
Ah, yes!
Open the thing!
Gabriel!
Hurry! Open the cage!
Put it against. Put it against. No, he's dying.
Oh my God,
his neck's cut. Here, hold it.
No, he's letting out. Get out.
Oh, look at my turkeys are just tearing up.
Wait.
Get away, turkeys!
Oh my God. That was a rush.
How do you feel?
That was fun!
I feel like I just ran 10 miles.
How do you feel, Evelyn?
I feel great. I feel like we're just saving life.
Alright, and that's the end of our video. And he's in there, safe somewhere. One of those birds. There's a lot of them.